Hello friends and welcome to Pathfinder Ice Club. My name is Sachin and in this video we will discuss how to read newspaper for UPSC. We will first discuss do's and don'ts and then my recommendations related to newspaper reading. I am sure your newspaper reading will be more targeted and effective after watching this video. So let us begin. First and foremost, we will discuss what you should avoid while reading newspaper. You should avoid reading political news. It doesn't actually matter who is leaving which political party and joining which political party. So, altogether avoid political news. Second, try to avoid Bollywood news because it doesn't matter to us which movie is releasing on which date and who are the actor actors in that. Third, half of the paper nowadays is filled with the COVID news. I understand it. I understand this is a serious issue, and no doubt we should follow the news. But again, like too much of the COVID news is of no use for the UPSC. So, strictly speaking, in the terms of UPSC, we should avoid COVID news. Then local news, like it, you might find it interesting, but again, local news has a little bit significance when it comes to UPSC and when it comes to the exam, uh, particularly prelims and mains. So avoid local news as well. See, all these news are like interesting but not important from point of view of UPSC. Some might argue that there might be some interesting case studies related to GS2 and GS4 from these sections as well. But considering the outcome and the time investment we do in this reading these news, I suggest that better you avoid it. Sometime maybe on the weekend you can read the political news or maybe some Bollywood news, but daily you don't have to read all these news. Okay, uh, so that you avoid a lot of stuff in the newspaper and you just focus on the things which are important. So which are the things which are important? Let's discuss that now. See, you should read the newspaper as per syllabus of the examination, syllabus of prelims as well as mains, and many of the optional subjects which required current affairs knowledge. Like for example, public administration or political science. These optional subjects need a lot of current affairs knowledge as well. So, well, next time when you are reading newspaper, you take the printout of your syllabus, all these prelims, mains, and optional with you, and check whatever news you are reading. Are you able to fit that particular news into the atom of the syllabus? Can you link that? Then only you read the news. Otherwise, you skip that news. Okay. Then next part, read the news having medium to long term significance. There might be the news which will die out within a month or within a few weeks, but UPSC will focus on the news which are like medium term, maybe 3 4 months at least, and the long term news, maybe the policy and acts like that. Then the news which are recurrent in nature and have don't have like a medium or long term vision. You can try to find out the trends in the news. Like for example, in the COVID case also, it is not significant, but there are trends. Like there are good case studies maybe, or there are something which you can find in the forms of trends, so that you can judge or that you can follow in the newspaper. Then you should make syllabus wise notes. Here, like we have already discussed this in our previous video, how to make notes using Evernotes. There you can watch that how we have divided the syllabus into sub parts, and then how we make the notes from newspaper. Here, like I would like to suggest that you can also join our Telegram group where we daily put one or two news items with its notes. Link is given in the description box. If you are interested, you can join our Telegram group. Now let us discuss the newspapers which are recommended. Indian Express and The Hindu. So because of lack of time, we can say, or constraint, we cannot read both the newspapers. But if you are reading The Hindu page to page, then you should at least go through the explained and editorial of Indian Express, and vice versa. Like if you are reading Indian Express page to page, then just go through the editorials of The Hindu. And over the weekend, to add the value, like you can go through these newspaper like Economic Times magazine, which is very good. Like they give very good articles and interviews also. You can also go through EPW, Mint, and other newspapers over the weekend. So it will like add your value and give you different perspective on some issues. So this is generally recommended. This is like traditional approach where you physically or digitally you are reading the newspaper as such. But there are many working professionals who are also preparing for the civil services, and there are many students who are actually in the third year and are preparing for the UPSC. So for them, they might not be like very much, comfortable with reading the newspaper. So for them, I suggest that you should watch daily news analysis of some classes. Which is best news channel, this YouTube channel to watch? That I will not. That is difficult to tell. But you can, if today is 6th September, you can watch different classes. News analysis, and then decide on your own which is the best, and then follow the same YouTube channel. Then monthly current affairs compilation magazine. There are very good monthly current affairs magazines available in the market. Again, the logic is saying which one is the best. You should read all the magazines for one month. Like for example, September month you are talking about. You should go through the magazine of different classes, compare on your own that which language you like the most, and then follow the same magazine for rest of the year. Okay, so these two things I can suggest for those who are not really into reading newspaper daily. Then I am strictly against compilation of the schemes and factual events like them, because see, if you are reading monthly magazines or a newspaper, you don't have to read the schemes separately, the compilation, because it is very high energy consuming activity, and the output is very less, because the schemes which are being asked will be either very easy or very difficult. So the compilation actually doesn't help much. So avoid reading compilation of the schemes. Just focus on daily news analysis or monthly current affairs magazines. Yeah. So this is basically the part one of the video. In the next part, we will take two newspapers and do practical of what we have learned today. I hope you found this video useful. We wish you all the best and great success. You can reach us at pathfinderisclub@gmail.com. Thank you.